Reviving a dated home. Our renovation story. Buying a new home is always exciting, but when we stumbled upon a dated home that had been sitting on the market for months, we saw it as a chance to put our renovation skills to the test. With some creativity, hard work, and determination, we were able to transform this outdated property into a modern and stylish living space that we are proud to call our own. Before we even started the renovation process, we knew we had our work cut out for us. The home was built in the 1970s and had not been updated since. The layout was cramped, the finishes were old, and the color scheme was outdated. We had to decide what to keep, what to update, and what to completely change. We started by creating a renovation plan that would make the most of the existing space while bringing it up to date. Our first decision was to open up the living area and kitchen to create a more modern and spacious floor plan. We removed several walls and replaced them with support beams to create an open concept living area that seamlessly flows into the kitchen. This not only made the space feel larger, but it also allowed for more natural light to flow throughout the home. Next, we tackled the outdated finishes. The walls were covered in dated wallpaper, the floors were a dingy carpet, and the cabinets and countertops were old and worn. We ripped up the carpet and replaced it with a beautiful hardwood floor that added warmth and character to the space. We then removed the wallpaper and painted the walls a fresh, modern color. Finally, we replaced the cabinets and countertops with sleek, modern options that added both style and functionality to the space. One of the biggest challenges we faced during the renovation process was the bathroom. The layout was cramped and outdated, with a tiny shower and a vanity that took up too much space. We decided to completely gut the bathroom and start from scratch. We redesigned the layout to make it more functional and spacious, and we installed modern fixtures and finishes that added both style and comfort to the space. Throughout the renovation process, we encountered several unexpected challenges. We discovered water damage in the walls and had to repair it before we could continue with the renovation. We also had to work around existing electrical and plumbing that were not up to code, which required us to bring in licensed professionals to help us make the necessary updates. Despite these challenges, we never lost sight of our vision for the space. We kept our goals in mind and stayed focused on the end result, which helped us push through the toughest parts of the renovation process. And in the end, all of our hard work paid off. We transformed a dated, cramped, and outdated home into a modern, stylish, and comfortable living space that we are proud to call our own. In conclusion, renovating a dated home can be a challenging but rewarding experience. It requires creativity, hard work, and determination, but the end result can be a beautiful and functional space that reflects your personal style and meets your needs. Whether you are renovating a home to live in or to sell, it is important to have a clear plan, stay focused on your goals, and be prepared to face unexpected challenges along the way. With the right mindset and the right team of professionals, you can transform any home into a space that you love.